Hello there. Here we go. Somebody asked me in the comment in YouTube that if they want to see how I install the box to the frame. So what I have done is I have made these brackets from angle, and you can see how they slide in right there to this 5/8 bolt. So then I'm gonna go ahead and put this knot on it, just right so. Same on the other side, and also two on the bottom, which are going to be one right here somewhere, which is gonna be in the back right there. So one over there, one exactly over here on the bottom of this. So these four bolts, they go ahead and hold the whole box with the help of these clamps to the frame, so there's no hole in the frame at all, as I said. And this cover right here, it opens up upward, so this bolt that I put on, nut and bolt, so this won't rattle. So you just take that out and then push it up. This hinge right there, it functions so the door goes away from the fairing, and then it opens up just like that. So you have everything opened up in order to take out the generator or do whatever you have to do. And then bring this back. The door is folded inward, so that way it's not like this coming out and hitting the fairing. So it bends in, so that way you can go ahead and install it just like that. All right guys, let me know if you need more information. Thanks.